What's up, everybody? Just gonna do a quick update here on the Camaro. As you can see, it's disgustingly dirty. I had it out last night in the rain and it's filthy. I can't take it, so I'm getting ready to back it out and give it a bath. But unfortunately I got sick. The plan was to tear it apart last weekend and start the modification work, but unfortunately I got sick, so feeling better now. So definitely by this weekend at the latest it's going to be taken apart, and first things first is pull the heads off and get them sent out so they can be ported. And while I'm waiting on that, I'll finish the cam install and all that kind of thing. But let's back it out and give it a bath. And then this happened. Somehow, this is my fence here. There's a big hole in it, as you can see. A drunk guy on a four-wheeler was coming up this side road here. The throttle stuck, according to him. He lost control, fell off of it. It came up that bank between those two trees, came all the way across the yard, smacked into the fence, and just destroyed it. Now we get to fix that, but obviously this guy should have never been on a vehicle of any sort in his condition, and let alone on a public road. So we're just fortunate nothing more serious happened, and the fence can be repaired. So we'll get repaired and move on.